So we've been doing coaching with Terry since about 2011, and just to give you a quick little background, I was ready to get out of the business, completely burned out, and Terry said, before you do, just let me coach you. So we got into the ninja thing, and the one thing that I can say without going on forever, because I easily could do that, is that it was just consistency. I don't have to fear anymore of what business is going to be like. It's absolutely consistent.
It's 9 habits for getting the business, for generating the business. It's 5 daily habits and 4 weekly habits. That once I've gone through all the habits with you, what I'm going to encourage you to do is block your time. Because if you want a consistent flow of business, if you'll block your time and do this is the recipe I keep talking about. This is it, okay? And this is another one of our trend benders. If you'll start doing these activities, here's what we quote. You'll see results within 45 to 90 days.
When I first started, I had doubled my income, but I wanted to make sure that I could replicate that again. So that's when I stumbled onto the Ninja Mastery course, because I wanted to make sure I could replicate what I did. And then last year I doubled my income again. And then now the installation, and I'm excited to double my income again.
She said it's easier to earn $1 million on purpose than it was to earn $250,000 on accident.
I've taken Ninja Mastery, and now this weekend I've done Ninja Installation, and I've got to tell you, it is the way to get your business on track. Never having a system before, it's just a blessing to just be a part of Ninja. I now am not a real estate agent by accident. I'm actually a real estate agent on purpose.
So the question really beckons, am I willing to show up? Are you willing to show up? If you're doing this and you're not doing it for fun, you're not independently wealthy, and you're really doing this because you want to work for, you love the money, you want to work for the income, you like what you do, we got to show up.